Who is the guardian of fundamental rights enumerated in Indian Constitution? And the answer is Supreme Court. The Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of Indian Federation from the Constitution of, and the answer is Canada. By virtue of which act DRG was introduced in India? And the answer is Government of India Act 1919. Right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights during the rule of, and the answer is Morarji Desai government. The first law officer of the Government of India is, and the answer is Attorney General for India. Who have the power to decide an election petition? And the answer is High Courts. Which places is said to be the cathedral city of India? And the answer is Bhubaneswar. Bagh, a village in Gwalior, is famous for, and the answer is cave painting. The famous rock garden is located in which city? Chandigarh. The largest and the oldest museum of India is located in the state territory of, and the answer is West Bengal. The world-famous Khajuraho sculptures are located in, and the answer is Madhya Pradesh. The world-famous Ajanta caves are situated in, and the answer is Maharashtra. The International Rice Research Institute is located in, and the answer is Philippines. The famous Dilwara Temples are situated in Rajasthan. Who is the first Indian woman to win an Asian Games gold in 400-meter run? And the answer is P.D. Usha. With which game does Davis Cup is associated? And answer is lawn tennis. The first Indian to cross 7 important seas by swimming. And answer is Bula Chaudhary. Pappu Karki, the popular Kumaroni folk singer, has passed away. He was a native of which state? And answer is Uttarakhand. India's first ever National Police Museum will be established in which city? And answer is Delhi. Which country's women cricket team has claimed the Asia Cup 2020 tournament 2018? And answer is Bangladesh. Watch our other videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will answer it in next Q&A video. Support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.